What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, guys. Exciting video coming your way today. I was just saying to myself that you guys have it easy nowadays when it comes to finding stocks to trade. You know, a few years back, traders didn't have the opportunities that we have today in the stock market. And that's because in the last year or two, we had a new sector pop up, a very hot sector, and that is the EF sector. Stocks such as Tesla, NIO, allows us to trade them every single day. And if you follow me on the inside, on Instagram, even here on YouTube, you see that it's always included in my game plan. And that's because it gives us enough volatility to be able to profit from as day traders every single day, guys. So today we're going to go through a live traded session on an NIO. We're going to analyze the sector, analyze the sentiment of the sector and the sentiment of the stock market on the day to give us a direction of where that stock is heading. And we're going to use price action to give us indication on entries and whatnot. Stick around, guys. As always, there's something new to learn in these videos. And as always, don't forget that smashy. Let's do it. Alright, guys, so here is where we do the analysis. Now, our job here is to look at the direction and the sentiment of that stock and the sector itself, the EF sector, the electric vehicle sector. Now, NIO, guys, it's up by 4% already. I mean, that's a sign of a bullish day. However, nothing stays the same on market open. It could go the opposite direction. So your job is to look at the sentiment. And the way we find the sentiment and basically what investors are looking at and how they're going to react today is by reading news to see if there's anything that could trigger fear or trigger hype. And today, it's just plain, and it's looking like it wants to recover from the sell-off that I had last week. Now, you have to be aware here, guys. I know this might sound easy. I do make it look easy here. But you got to be aware of what this stock behaves and how the stock behaves like on day-to-day basis. And that way you can benefit from the big spikes that could potentially happen. Now, our job is to understand what's going to happen here, whether it's up or whether it's going to go down. So, reaction is the most important part, and that's what we're going to do in a few minutes when market opens. This is the game plan I share with my chat room every day, and today I've also included NIO in the game plan. And we're looking at the V-shape pattern. We're also looking at SFIX. So these guys already know how to trade these stocks that I picked out, and they do fit the variables that I look for every day in a stock. So I'll share some chart room results by the end, but first let's go and trade. Market opens in 4 minutes, matter of fact. But there is nothing to it, guys. Identifying the sentiment of a stock is simply by reading the news to identify how investors are going to react on the day for that specific stock. So let's go jump into it, guys. Let's go trade, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, guys, so I just loaded up the two stocks I'm going to be watching, NIO and Stitch Fix. Now, Stitch Fix is staying above the 50 range. So here we're using the 1 minute chart. I'm looking to see how the stock wants to react. I've already set my mind up to NIO today, guys, but I'll come back to this and hopefully short it back down, maybe in this video or later on the day. So let that one pump for a minute and the hype will die off. But for now, I'm focused on this stock, waiting for it to open up, and it should do soon. Just opened up. Now it's gonna do what we expect it to do. Usually it does pull back on market open, but I'm looking to see if it wants to hold, and then we'll end up with a buy position. So I'm in long at the moment, guys, 1,000 shares. With this stock, it does have some mixed reactions at the moment, but it already gave me a sign that it wants to actually pump after selling off and then finding buying pressure here. But I'm long at the moment, and I will add another 500 shares here so I can get out quickly. The more shares I have, the faster I walk away from a trade, guys. Now, for a lot of you with that question of how long I should stay in a trade, well, just remember, for me, I like to walk away quickly from a trade. So for those with lower capital, you actually might be holding on for a while, and that gets riskier if you do end up holding a stock for a long period of time, because no stock can just spike without correcting itself. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is leave this for you to watch, and it could take 10 minutes, 5 minutes or so to end up spiking, but I'll see you guys in a minute before we walk away from the profit. But we're so far $150 up, and there is more room for that stock to spit out more cash. So I'll keep this here and I'll speed it forward for you, and I'll keep an eye on the trade. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so we just made a newer high here, so there's basically a chance of this going even further. We just broke the resistance level here of that red candle, so now that acts as support for us. So what we're gonna do is hold it on. We're gonna see if it wants to touch 48 today, and it's looking like it wants to touch 48. This usually triggers a domino effect where new buyers come in and they'll end up scooping more shares, and obviously I'm already in that trade, so it will take me far with them. So I'll keep this speeded forward for you guys. Alright guys, so NIO is doing its thing. Before it hits 48, I'll be walking away with a profit, almost reaching my daily target here, and we're out with 1,000. So guys, I do want to share with you some chat room results. Have a look here. It's a majority green chat room, about 95% green today, which means profitable. We do have some reds here and there, but obviously we've got a lot of beginners. Well done, George. That's more than I made today. But well done to everybody here. I know this motivates you guys. But look, with time, you get to a level where you can do this consistently, you know, and profitably if you remain in the game. Keep learning, keep educating yourself, surround yourself with people that can guide you and help you, and continue grinding. With time, it gets easier, and hopefully with these videos, you guys can learn even further and master your trading. So, gotta go guys. A lot of greens here, about 95% profitable today in the chat room. There is a lot more that, you know, if I was to go through it, it would take me an hour or so. But there's more coming in, more greens than reds, but that's okay if you take an L. That's part of trading, especially if you're at the beginning. There's a lot to learn. I do make it look easy, and that's because I'm experienced in this field. But with time, you'll get to a level where you can say that you're profitable, a profitable trader, consistently profitable. So I'll see you in a minute, guys, and hopefully you enjoyed this. And as always, don't forget that smashy. All right, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you learned something new. Keep practicing, keep learning. There's always something new to learn in these videos because every trade is different. If you're gonna trade the EF sector, then focus on a specific setup. Master that setup, guys. The more time you spend trading, the better. Now, today was choppy for NIO just because it didn't actually have a catalyst. And that's what happens when there isn't a catalyst. You do have some kind of a move, but it will be choppy. And you gotta be able to identify if this is choppiness in an uptrend or if it's losing steam. But with time, the more you trade it, the better you get at it. Now guys, I gotta go. Appreciate you for watching. Hopefully you learned something new. As always, don't forget that smashy. Show your boy some love. And I'll see you guys on the inside. Peace.